Alright, y'all, welcome back to Fat Country Cooking. Today we're making buffalo ranch dip. Right here I got 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm finna season these up. I'm gonna put some pepper, season to your liking, season to your tasting. I can't tell you how much to season to put on your food. I just know I know how I like my food seasoned. Some folks like they stuff seasoned. Some folks like their food highly seasoned. Some people don't like their food seasoned that much. So let's season to your own tasting. And I added some onion powder. I added some seasoning salt. No black for nobody. That's seasoning salt. I added some garlic powder and I added some black pepper. I got my chicken here and just put the seasoning on there. Oh y'all, so I'm back. I done seasoned my chicken. Now I'm gonna put it in the pan. You want to test your grease, see if it's hot enough. I got my pan on the medium low heat. I'm gonna put my chicken in. I'm gonna put about 2 on in there. I don't want to overcrowd my pan. Put 2 at a time. I'm just gonna let them cook. You just let them cook. Let them get a nice brown color on them. So then when they get done cooking, I'm gonna take them off and you're gonna shred them up. You can boil your chicken as well for this dip. You can boil it pan fried like I am. I'm pan fried because I think it's gonna have more flavor with being pan fried. Alright, so I'm gonna let my chicken cook by 5 minutes. I'm gonna cook 5 minutes on both sides. Cook about 5 minutes on both sides. Once you put it in the pan, don't touch it. Let it get a nice brown on it. 5 minutes on both sides. I'm gonna come back with y'all when this is done. Alright y'all, welcome back. Alright, so this is my chicken. I got it after it got done cooking. Got it, diced it up. You dice it, shred it, or whatever your preference is. Now, to make this buffalo chicken dip, I have three things of cream cheese. Now my cream cheese, I got it. I softened it up. I'm gonna put it on in here. Got it and softened it on up. Should be easy to incorporate in here with my chicken. Alright, now I have some Frank's RedHot original hot sauce. I'm gonna put some of this in here. Let me see. I'm gonna try to do measurements for y'all. For some of y'all that can't cook and don't know how to eyeball shit, I'm gonna get this measuring cup for y'all later. Alright, let me rinse it out. I don't want y'all saying I'm nasty. You got time? Folks, I'm nasty and shit, so let me rinse the cup out. Alright. So, this is half a cup of hot sauce. Let me see. Add a little bit more. But you can add the hot sauce to your liking. It depends on how hot you want your dip. So, that was, let me see, about, shit, how much that was? About that was half a cup. Plus a little bit more of that. I got some Monterey Jack and Coby cheese. Put half of that in there. Half of that. I have some sharp cheddar cheese. I'll put half of that in there. And I also have some ranch. Put ranch in there. Now you want to incorporate all this together. Get the chicken and cream cheese. Mix everything together. And you're going to put this in the oven. I got my oven preheated to 350. Mix everything good in. Mix everything in good together. Cheese and the hot sauce. Cream cheese. Yes. It's all in together. I'm add a little bit more hot sauce to mine. I know how to eyeball my stuff. I know. And the chicken in there. And you got that cheese. Now me, I'm gonna add some scallions, some green onions to mine. Right here, I have some green onions, got 3 of them. And I washed them already, cut the ends off on them. I'm gonna add some green onions to mine. I'm gonna give it another taste. It's gonna give it a better taste. Add some green onions in there to it. Green onions. Got them green onions in there. Mix it up. Now with the hot sauce, you do it to your tasting. It depends on how hot you want it or not. So I'm gonna taste it. It's good, but I want more hot sauce in mine. I want more heat in mine. Alright. Got it all combined it. Now, I have my pan right here. Rinsed it out, washed it out, and put a little water out of there. Wash my pan out. I'm gonna pour my dip in here. Little weak ass bowl. Put my dip in here. Get everything on out of there. Get everything. I paid for everything. I'm gonna get everything up out of here. Alright. Got it in my bowl. Alright. I'm just gonna spread it out. Spread it out, get it even. Put it evenly in there. It's gonna be good, and I got them green onions in there. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in with some of my cheese. Spread the cheese all around there. And y'all, this is good for baby showers, good for parties, get-togethers. Good for all of that. I'm gonna add on the rest of my cheese in here. All of this right here. Let's get the cheese spread everywhere. Alrighty, spread all that cheese around in there. Gotta make love to your food sometime. You gotta make love. I make love to all my food. That turn out so good. I make love to it. I don't be quick with my food. I make love to it. You gotta treat your food the same way you treat your woman. You treat your food with love and care, it's gonna come out good. You treat your woman with good love and care, she gonna be good to you. All right, so I'm gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna put it in there for about 30-35 minutes. I got my oven on 400 degrees. All right, y'all, so my buffalo chicken dip is done. And just look at it. Look at that buffalo chicken dip. Now y'all eat this here with some, I'm eating mine with some tortillas. I'm eating with that right there. Now y'all go ahead and use this recipe. I'm gonna have all the measurements and stuff down in the description box below. Y'all come on back another day again to Fat Country Cooking.